advice for women in business. Get your fucking ass up and work.
Hey besties.
So I just posted a video. This is the start of my small business series for clay art. Right now I'm trying to relax, but I feel like I can't because I still have so much stuff to do. After I edited the video this morning, posted the video, and gamed a little bit on the Nintendo Switch. I thought about streaming on Twitch, but like, I just need like a hobby that isn't work related, but even when I have those hobbies, I still feel like I could be doing something more productive, like to get money or like share some type of experience. Like me just playing on the Switch, I felt like I needed to start streaming it. I put some resin and hardener on two of the pieces that I made the other day. I need to mold some new pieces. Sometimes I'm molding, sometimes I am painting, sometimes I'm like finalizing. I don't feel like any of these pieces are perfect yet, enough to sell. So I've also been trying to consider what my process is gonna be for that. Am I going to just work on a lot of different pieces until I get the perfect one? Do custom pieces? I don't know. There's still little small things that are not perfect about it, and I feel like this is just the experimentation phase for that, because it needs to be perfect if I'm gonna sell it, in my opinion, or close to perfect. So yeah, right now I just, again, picked up the phone and started recording of just what my day-to-day looks like and how, as a small business owner, you really feel like, you just always feel like you should be doing something related to work. And I've always been like that. It's really hard for me to chill out. I just always feel like I should be doing something. And I like don't feel like comfortable just not doing anything. So yeah, I guess I'll show you my Switch, some of the pieces I've already made. Yeah, that's about it. These are some of the pieces I've been working on. Like I said, none of them are like really perfect, but my favorite so far is probably this one. This little ashtray. I just like the color. I like the eye bulging out. I like the shape of it. These little eyes as well. But if you look closely, it's just, there's some little bubbles here and there, and I need to get those out before I am comfortable selling it. And this is the first piece I made. It's fabulous in my opinion. It's just like, again, if you get close up, the resin and the hardener wasn't fully smoothed out, so you wouldn't see those little bubbles and stuff. This took a really long time. I don't know if that's really the smartest to do like a lot of these, but for custom, I think I'll try and definitely include this one because it's very interesting looking, but it's also very time consuming. This one was just me fucking up, and I decided to just create it as its own little piece, like a trinket dish. I don't know what happened. I just didn't like it. Then I put a lot of paint on top of it to try and cover it. Then I just thought, let me create a mold of a lot of different paints. Clouds, of course. Love this one. It's just like on the back, not as smooth. Need to figure out how to do that. The clay rings, very excited about this. It again isn't as perfect as I'd like, but very cool. Can't wait to really keep working with these. These are the two pieces I'm working on now. I really love these. I'm excited to see where they go after the resin and hardener dries. So yeah, what I've been working on, and there's way more to come. I am trying to work every day towards manifesting my dream of being a artist, but also being like a business owner and having a big status, so I can have a team of people working on a lot of different projects at the same time, I guess. So like kind of like celebrities when they have all these different things going on all the time, and they like have the status but also like the foundation with everyone working with them. That's what I've always wanted, and right now it's really hard because I'm doing a lot of it on my own. It really makes you tired and kind of makes you really question whether or not you can do it. I feel like it's important to go through this phase or stage because it really like knocks at your dreams becoming a reality, and you know, you have to keep pushing through it, but it's very hard. I can tell that vibrationally my energy is not as high as it is in the other vlog videos. I'm just constantly working all the time, and like that's not a bad thing. Like I love what I'm doing, and I love all the art pieces that I've made in the past, I don't know, when did I start this? Like 2 weeks ago?
Yeah, like it hasn't been that long.
I've been posting every day. I posted every day for February. maybe longer than 2 weeks. I think I started in February, yeah. I was, actually, I don't know. I cannot remember. Time is just being really slow, but also fast. I don't know. I posted every day for Black History Month in February, animations that I created, and just sharing information about Black stars. So I would make an animation every day, post that. During that, I was also posting vlogs weekly, and then also just other animations that I created that are just kind of like empowering or related to what I'm going through. So there was just a lot of that. And then on top of it, I was like, I need to start a clay art business and start making money from my art along with YouTube. So this is that. I will figure out a website. I will figure out an Etsy situation. I will figure it out. Everyone's gonna figure it out when you're on this journey. It's just, you always are thinking about it, and you're always like, am I doing enough? So that's what I'm going through, and I guess that's kind of why my vibrations are a little bit lower. Like, it's not all manifesting as quickly as I want, but I'm trying so hard. And then sometimes you overwork yourself. I definitely do, and that's not the best idea. Always giving yourself a little bit of a break. I reward myself with wine, or since getting the Nintendo Switch, maybe with a game. But I'm still deciding if I'm going to stream that or not. So yeah, giving yourself a reward after working all day as your own boss is really important, because you're kind of the only one out here, and you kind of just like have to tell yourself that you're getting your shit together, and like it's okay, and you're proud of yourself. So yeah, I want to give a tattoo tour soon. This is random, but I do want to give a tattoo tour soon. I'm getting a new tattoo in a few weeks, and yeah, we'll see where that goes as well. But this channel's, I guess, merging into a small business owner channel. The process of that, I feel like a lot of videos don't show you the before phase. Like, this is definitely the before phase. Like, I haven't even figured out everything yet.
I'm still in the trial and error phase.
I still have to make a website, sell my pieces at a farmer's market. Like, there are all these things. Make business cards, make income, move to San Diego. There's just a lot. So yeah, if you would like to support me, that would be great. Just you watching this video helps me a lot, and subscribing helps. I'm trying to give you as much empowering information as possible throughout my journey, so you can kind of get like a guidebook of how I'm doing it. But yeah, like I said, a lot of people already have it when they like talk about it more, or like post videos or vlogs or whatever, when they already have like a big following, or they have, you know, all the tools that they need. I haven't found anyone that shows the before phase. They already have, you know, their website created or their Patreon. Like, I don't have any of that right now. I'm just literally trying to figure out the style that I'm going for and how to make it perfect. Sharp, clean, you know, the concept, but also executing that every day. Like, I work every day. So yeah, this is that. I'm so glad you watched this video. Thank you for being here thus far. It's gonna be so much fun, but this is also as real as it gets. I'm so glad that I can start from the very beginning, so I can help someone else know the type of work ethic you kind of need to have, or certain inspiration that you could get from this, so you can do it yourself. Because I feel like everyone can, you know, start their own business. Or, you know, follow their dreams or something related to that. That's fun. It's just a lot of hard work, and realistically, you have to be able to put in the hard work to see what you want happen. So yeah, thanks for watching. I love you. Please send me good vibes. I'll send you good vibes. Bye.